So hello guys, today we are going to make french fries by using oil and even using oven, which does not take that much oil. So first we have to cut the potatoes, any kind of potatoes you can use, and if you use chips potatoes they are very great. So you have to cut them like this, small. After cutting them, you have to soak them in clean water, fresh water, so that the starch comes out. Then you have to take any tissue paper and put them in that so that the water can go. After the water is evaporated, add them in oil. So this is the first step which we are doing it in oil. So both of them take almost the same time. Oven takes 5 minutes, I think, more, but I think oven is better because it does not take that much oil. So you have to deep fry in full flame, in high flame. After you see that they are fried, you have to take them out. So you can taste one. So it was very tasty for us also. This is the first variety. Now second variety is oven. So you have to take a tray, something like a tray which is usable for oven. Apply oil in that, and after that place the french fries. They should have social distancing because corona is going on. Because they can fry easily. And then again put the oil on them. Otherwise, before only you can take some oil and you can marinate, a type of marination for them. You can marinate with oil, only with oil. After that, place them in high rack and grill mode. This is grill mode. Use grill mode, and then 10 minutes. Close and start. So it is very simple, no need to do convection. I already tried it in convection mode, but it was not that good. They were very sticky, they were not coming out, but these came out really well. So now our french fries are done. So take them out with gloves because it is very hot. And then take them out with a spoon or a fork also. Then sprinkle piri piri, or you can add any other masalas which you want. So I like piri piri the most, so I'm adding that. So guys, today I told you how to make french fries in oil and even in oven. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.